Hi guys, welcome back to Airdrop 101 Testnet. If this is your first time here, this is Voice of Imani, your blockchain tutor, your voiceover artist, and your cryptocurrency step-by-step guide for today. Now, we're going to be uncovering the latest testnet and airdrop, and today we're focusing on 3DOS. And this is a project that is making waves in the DePIN space. Now, before we jump in, I would like to explain what DePIN means. DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. So think of it as a way to decentralize real-world infrastructure like manufacturing or internet connectivity using blockchain technology. Instead of relying on centralized entities, DePIN projects empower individuals like you and me to contribute to and benefit from these networks. Now, this is interesting. Now, one thing about 3DOS is it is the first of its kind on Sui Network. We've had DePIN projects, the first DePIN project on Solana Network, which was Grass, and it gave people thousands of dollars. Now, this is your opportunity to hop on a similar project on Sui and earn money in dollars. Now, let's move on to what 3DOS is building. I think it's important that we know exactly what this project is building because it will help you to know how big the potential reward could be. Now, onto 3DOS, this project is building the world's largest peer-to-peer on-demand manufacturing network. Imagine uploading a design and having it produced anywhere in the world, all while earning royalties. So that's the power of 3DOS, and the best part is you can actually participate by simply running their AI-powered browser extension. So I'm going to show you exactly how to join, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing to do is to register on the 3DOS dashboard. So here's my link. I have copied it and pasted it on my browser right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you don't have any hassle accessing this. So we're just going to click on enter. And move on to the next step. Now, the next step is to sign up using your email or your Google account. Now, when you do this, you're going to get a confirmation email, and you have to make sure you actually verify that email before you continue. So what we're going to do right now is sign up with our Google account. So firstly, I have to agree to the terms and condition, and so click sign up, enter with Google. You could actually enter with Twitch, or you could just input your email directly. So anyone that works for you. For me, this works. So click on continue. So we're going to wait for it to authenticate before moving on to the next step. It's pretty easy and doesn't really require much. So I'm just going to click on claim reward. So you can claim reward so I'm just going to click on that. So each at least once every day to claim these rewards. So you earn 100 points when you claim. So my next claim is in 24 hours time, as you can see right here. So let's move on to the next step. So we're asked to watch a YouTube, although this isn't. But if you want to actually get more knowledge as to what 3DOS is, please go ahead and watch the YouTube video. So the next step is to generate your API key. So it's just right here. You click on generate API key and you copy the API key. Now, this is very important for activating the extension. So all we have to do is keep this API key somewhere handy, and we're going to use it to run the extension in itself. So I'm just going to leave it copied and move over to the next step. So the next step is to install the 3DOS Chrome extension. So this we know how to install our extension, but if you do not know how to do that, I'm just going to explain now. You click on this three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and it takes you here. So when you see the extension button, please click on Visit Chrome Web Store, and it will take you to a page where you can add the 3DOS Chrome extension. So I'm just going to type 3DOS. So this is it. This is how this is the logo of 3DOS Network. That tells you you're actually downloading the right extension. So I'm just going to click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and we're almost there. Alright, so extension has been downloaded. The next step is to actually click on 3DOS. So I'll have to go to my extension button here and access the 3DOS extension app that I had installed, that is now found on the list of my wallet extensions. So I'm just going to, I had clicked on it, so I'm just going to wait. Now, remember we copied the API key, so all I have to do right now is to log in. I'm going to log in using the same email that I used. Okay, so it automatically logged me in, but if it does require you to input your email, please use the same email you used for the dashboard to log into your 3DOS. So I'm going to enter my API key here. Remember, I had copied it before, so I'm just going to click on Ctrl V and apply, and I am all set. So this is my total reward right now. This is my referral code. Please, this is important. When you click on copy, you're able to copy your referral link, share to your friends, and onboard them, because there is rewards for referring friends to 3DOS, and sometimes that's just the difference between having a little airdrop and a big airdrop. But as long as you start this early, you're going to earn enough points. Now that we're done with installing the extension, it's just going to be mining automatically. So as long as you have this installed, you are already participating in the 3DOS airdrop. So that's actually very interesting. So the next thing to do is to complete the social tasks. So follow, join on Discord, and earn more points. So to do that, you just have to go here. So if you look at the left hand side of my screen, you see earn more points. So click on earn more points and you see some social tags. Now these social tags are important to earn more points. So all you have to do is follow the founder, follow 3DOS Twitter account, join the Discord channel, join Telegram, and earn more points. So I'm just going to show you how to do this following the founder. So I'm not going to do everything because I don't want this video to be very long, because this is literally the last step of this airdrop. So when you're done with the social tags, so I'm just going to connect my X account here. Just wait for it a little. Okay. So I have to authenticate my X account. So I'm going to connect my X account, Faith Shulamite, to my 3DOS dashboard, and then I can participate in the task and earn more points. So that's the entire aim of this. So it's showing logged in successfully. So what I want to do now is to follow the founder. So I'm just going to click on follow. Click on follow here and verify and claim. So I'm claiming 1,000 points just by following the founder, and it says congratulations, you have claimed. So I'm going to advise you to do the same for all of this. If you do not have a Discord account, please, now's the time to download Discord, set up your account, and join. Then do the Telegram tags, and you can also earn more points by carrying out this quest. So that's basically it for 3DOS. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just know that early participants often reap significant rewards, and with 3DOS innovative approach, the potential is substantial. So that's a wrap on our deep dive into 3DOS. Remember that in the world of crypto, being early can make all the difference. So please stay tuned to Voice of Imani for more insights into promising testnets and airdrops. So until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more airdrops. Bye.